Apple may finally be ready to enter the foldable phone market, and this could be one of the biggest changes to the iPhone lineup in years. Rumors are pointing toward a new device often called the iPhone Ultra Fold, and it could combine a completely different form factor with Apple's premium design and technology. But this won't simply be a larger iPhone that folds in half. Reports suggest Apple is facing major challenges behind the scenes, and those challenges could make this device extremely expensive and difficult to get at launch. One of the biggest attractions could be the design. Apple is reportedly working on a foldable iPhone with a premium look that feels different from current iPhone models. Leaked information has even pointed toward finishes such as polished silver and a dark blue option. The dark blue finish is especially interesting because earlier rumors suggested Apple could choose a darker gray color instead. If these reports are accurate, Apple may be trying to make the Ultra Fold look more like a luxury product than a typical smartphone, and that luxury positioning could become even clearer when the price is revealed. The rumored price is far above what most people would expect from an iPhone. Some reports have suggested pricing around 3,699 Australian dollars, putting the foldable iPhone well above the iPhone 18 Pro Max and even higher than many competing foldable phones. That means Apple may not be targeting everyday iPhone buyers with this device. Instead, the Ultra Fold could be designed for customers who are willing to pay a huge premium for new technology, a unique design, and the Apple ecosystem. However, getting the phone into stores may be harder than expected. Foldable phones are already difficult to manufacture, and Apple appears to be taking an extremely careful approach. The foldable display and hinge are reportedly among the biggest challenges. A hinge has to open and close thousands of times while remaining thin, strong, and reliable. At the same time, the flexible display needs to survive constant folding without developing serious damage or becoming too noticeable at the crease. For Apple, that could be a major problem because the company has a reputation for tightly controlling the quality of its products. Releasing a foldable iPhone with durability problems could create serious backlash. Because of these challenges, production timelines could change. Even if Apple plans to reveal the device alongside its next major iPhone lineup, manufacturing problems could delay the actual launch. There is also another important question: where will the Ultra Fold be sold? Early reports suggest Apple could take a limited launch approach. The United States may receive the device first, while other major markets could follow later. This would allow Apple to control supply while it works through production challenges. And then there's the name. The device has been linked to names like iPhone Ultra, iPhone Fold, and iPhone Ultra Fold. Apple has not confirmed the official name, so the final branding could still be completely different. Regardless of what Apple calls it, the bigger story is what this phone represents. Apple would be entering a market where Samsung and other manufacturers have already spent years developing foldable technology. That means Apple won't be first, but it could potentially bring its own approach to the category. The real question is whether Apple can make a foldable iPhone thin, durable, powerful, and attractive enough to justify its enormous price. If the company succeeds, the Ultra Fold could become one of Apple's most important new products in years. If production problems and the high price remain, it could instead become an impressive but extremely exclusive device. Either way, Apple's first foldable iPhone could change what consumers expect from premium smartphones. What do you think? Would a foldable iPhone be worth paying thousands of dollars for, or is the price simply too high? Share your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone and tech updates.